Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Coach collection. It's all you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. Guys, I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. I would really appreciate it. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so now let us discuss the latest collection of Coach. So this is the part 2. So we have the Look 11, we have the Kiss Lock Vanity. So this is from the Winter 2025 collection. Guys, for the release date, this would be announced soon. So please do stand by. So this Kiss Lock Vanity, the material is genuine cowhide leather. Colorway is metallic gold, which I super love. So this is an archival design. It has details such as the leather top handles as we can see here, and it has of course the kiss lock pockets on both sides, which I truly adore. Super gorgeous, and definitely you need to check this out because this is going to be viral once it goes live. Then guys, so this one they have also the twin turn lock. So this is the look number 12 for the Winter 2025 collection. So material is genuine leather, so I'm not really sure if it's cowhide or suede leather, because zooming in guys, we could see that this is entirely embellished with rhinestone. And in my experience, if it's embellished with rhinestone, normally the main material is made of fabric or even suede leather so that the rhinestone would not fall off. How gorgeous and beautiful the red colorway of this twin turn lock bag. What do you think? Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright guys, so next on the Winter 2025 Coach collection, we have the Mono Turn Lock, not the official name. So this is the Look 13. So material is genuine cowhide leather. Colorway is black. Archival design details such as the leather top handle. And of course, the reason why I'm calling it the Mono Turn Lock, because zooming in we could see that the turn lock pocket is just one compared to the twin turn lock that we have seen a while ago. It features gold hardware, and of course the charms are purchased separately, such as the Rexy charm and then the crystal ball charm. So what do you think? Which one do you prefer guys, as you're going to see the Mono turn lock has a shorter top handle compared to the twin turn lock? Then of course, another favorite of mine, we have the Kiss Lock Vanity, look number 14 for the Winter 2025 Coach collection. Gorgeous red, really signals holidays, festivities, as we can see here. And you are noticing guys that one of the detail of the Kiss Lock Vanity, aside from the Kiss Lock pockets on the side, it has feet, which is so good. I love a bag with feet. And of course, it would come with the classic Coach details such as the dog tag or the bag tag. So of course guys, the main material is cowhide leather, and the charms that are purchased separately. Then of course, look number 14, we have another Kiss Lock Vanity. So one of my personal favorite for the Winter 2025 collection of Coach, because of course, since the colorway of this one is black and gold, as you can see, the hardware really stands out. And of course, I'm guessing that the price point of this one would be a little bit more expensive because this is a new collection of Coach. So of course I would want to be able to use my bag as much as I can, and the material of this one and the color way of black would be very hard wearing, and I feel I could use it almost every day. Then of course guys, here are some more details from the collection. So number one, we have sneakers, and of course it would come with charms. So the sneakers, as you can see, colorway is Rouge, and of course it has the graffiti writing that Coach is very famous for. And then of course they are going to use charms, shoe charms as well. So it almost kind of looks like the same charms that they're going to use for the bag. So here we have the brown bear shoe charm, and it has a crystal ball. So here is another look of the shoes or the sneakers and the charms. So guys, what do you think of the charms? So personally, I think it's just Coach that I'm seeing that are using shoe charms. Then another detail on the collection, so we have the sunnies. So the sunnies, so they are embellished with crystals. And then of course we have the moon and star brooch. And of course we have the bag charms and then the moon earring. So here are the bag charms. So we have the bear, we have Rexy. Rexy looks so plush, and he has the Santa hat. Then of course it comes with crystal balls. Then of course the sunnies, so I've seen two sunnies. We have the metallic silver, then we have the violet, and then they also have the moon earrings. How gorgeous are the moon earrings? And also I love the brooch over here. And guys, here are my top favorite from the winter 2025 collection of Coach. Number one, of course, I'm really guessing, and actually I'm saying right now, I'm predicting that this is going to be really hot and the next viral bag of Coach. So we have the Kiss Luck Vanity, so my personal favorite, as mentioned earlier, the black and gold combination. So of course the next one, we have the metallic gold. How festive and gorgeous this one is. Personally, I love anything metallic, but just be careful guys, because I have metallic bags in my collection, and I've noticed in time the metallic part kind of fades off. So just be careful on that one, but still equally gorgeous. So I feel that if I'm going to have this bag, this is going to be perfect for parties, for fashion shows. Then another personal favorite colorway of mine would be the color red or rouge. Just look how gorgeous this colorway is, because the reason why I love this colorway is because I love the color black. Like for example, in my outfit I would be wearing everything black, and then of course this is going to be the highlight of my outfit. Same with this one, the twin turn lock bag. Just look at this one. Of course it screams my name. So it's color red, it's striking, then of course it is embellished in crystals. So it would come with charms, so you can design them with charms. So of course I've heard that the bag charms of Coach are a little bit more expensive, around 200 to 300 USD. So me, I have lots of bag charms in my collection, especially the Labubu and my Skull Panda, my Mega Space Molly, so I could use them to adore my Coach collection bag. So I can't wait to see this new collection from Coach being launched here in the Philippines. So guys, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. I would love to hear from you. So please do check our first vlog of the Coach collection, because I have discussed there looks 1 to 10, and this is the continuation. Thank you guys. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you did guys, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe, and I will see everyone soon. Bye!